video, you'll have a fully functional donation website. Mobile-friendly, supports real payments with no platform fees, and lets you create campaigns with clear fundraising goals. You'll also be able to expand payment options by installing a free payment gateway plugin and customize the design completely using WordPress's block editor, all without writing a single line of code. In this tutorial, we'll set up development hosting, install and configure the plugin, build the homepage, create a campaign, customize the design, and test it. Then you'll be ready to export the site for live hosting. Now we'll start with the first step, setting up development hosting. We're using xCloud Playground, so there's no need to buy live hosting to get started. It's completely free and gives you a development site that lasts for one full day. Just register by visiting locuswp.com/xcloud. After registering, activate your account by clicking the confirmation link in your email. Then, on the dashboard, click Try xCloud Playground. Fill in your site details based on your needs, and wait a moment while your development site is set up. Once your site is ready, you can log in using the magic login button. It will automatically redirect you to your development site, and you're ready to start building. Go to the Plugins menu, and in the search bar, type Fundraiser. Click Install, and once it's done, click Activate. You'll then be redirected to Fundraiser's Recommendations page. From here, install the suggested theme and plugins. They'll help you build your donation website more easily. Fundraiser uses the modern version of WooCommerce as its payment system. That means you can add your favorite payment gateways. Many of them are available for free. Since it's built on a modern setup, it's optimized for speed, so no need to worry about performance. First, we'll configure the general settings. Go to WooCommerce Settings General, choose your country based on where you're located, and scroll down to the Currency Options section. Select the currency you want to accept, set this based on your needs. Now, move to the payment settings and set up the local bank transfer option. This method comes from the Banking Blocks plugin, which we installed earlier. We can also add PayPal as a payment method by installing the PayPal plugin. You can easily connect it to your PayPal account during the setup. To create your first fundraising campaign, go to Campaigns in your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New. Enter your campaign title. In the content area, write a short overview. Explain your goal and what you want to achieve. Scroll to Funding Metric. Set a fundraising target or leave it blank for no limit. Add a featured image or video. Choose or create a category. Click the Publish button to make your campaign live. Click View to see your campaign on the site. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click Pages in the left menu. Click Add New to create a new page. On the right sidebar or Settings panel, find the Template option. Click Change Template. Wait a moment for the templates to load. Select Page Full Width. To make editing more immersive, let's display the template directly in the editor. This way, we can see changes live. No need to open the preview separately. Go to locuswp.com to get a ready-made pattern. Navigate to FSE Pattern Collections, select Hero Fundraiser, and copy the pattern code. Then, go back to your editor. In the editor, click the List View icon. Find and select the paragraph block inside the content block. Then press Ctrl+V to paste the block markup code. Hide the list view so you can see the layout more clearly. You'll notice the pattern's width doesn't match the header. To fix this, select the block, choose Style Dimensions, and set the right and left padding to base. Next, we need to add the fundraising stats pattern from the pattern library. Click the blue plus button, then select Patterns. Choose Fundraiser, and pick the stats pattern. It will be inserted into the page automatically. Click the Publish button in the top right corner, and confirm by clicking it again. Now, click View Page to see your homepage. Your homepage is ready. Now let's make sure it's set as the actual homepage. Click Edit Page, then open the sidebar. Click the three-dot menu, and select Set as Homepage. Save your changes. Finally, click View Page, and you'll see this is now your actual homepage. To customize the page, we'll use the block editor. Click Edit Page. In the editor, simply select any block you want to change. For example, you can update the button text or set the amount value. You can also customize the block style. For example, change the button color or add a border and adjust its color. You can also add a link if the block offers that option. Now we'll customize the funding button so that when a user clicks Pledge, they're redirected to the payment page. On lawcustwp.com, open the Guides menu, select Fundriser plugin, and go to Visual Component Blocks. On this page, you'll see that the funding button can pass the amount to an external URL. We'll use a link format that allows donations via URL. First, copy your donation page URL from the menu. Paste that URL into a new browser tab so we can work with it. From the guide, we know we need the PID to identify the campaign. Now, open the Campaign Manager and copy the product ID for the campaign you want. With this, we can build the donation URL that passes the amount to the payment page. Finally, paste that URL into the funding button. Now, when people click the button, it will pass the amount from the box directly to the payment process. Now we need to test the donation flow to make sure anything works. Click Amount button, then click Pledge button. We will redirect to payment. Fill in all the required fields, choose your payment method, and click Pay. You'll be redirected to the Order Received page, where you can see the bank information. Now we need to moderate the donation. But first, let's check the Insight page. Here, you'll see that the payment is on hold. Next, go to Fundriser, Funding in the menu. To moderate the donation, click the Accept icon. This will mark it as completed. Now, go back to the Insight page. You'll see the donation has been received and the metrics have updated. You can also upgrade to unlock more features in Fundriser. Finally, you can view the funders spending on this campaign. We need to export the site data so we can move it to live hosting. To do this, we'll use the Updraft Plus plugin. Go to the Plugins menu, click Add New, and type Updraft Plus in the search bar. Then click Install and Activate. Go to Settings Updraft Plus Backups to start the export process. Click Backup now, and make sure to check the options for Database, Plugins, and Themes. You can uncheck the other folders since we don't have anything there. When the backup is finished, you can download the files. You'll be able to restore these files to your live hosting, so you won't need to build everything from scratch. Congratulations! You've just built your donation website for free. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to deploy your site to live hosting. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Want to save time? You can download the exported site files from Locust WP Market. The link is in the description. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.